Hi guys, my name is Angel and I am going to show you guys how I do my everyday routine makeup. So first I use the Zikel 24K moisturizer. This I use it even if I'm not like gonna wear makeup because it has a great feel to the skin. I'm just going to use like a teeny size because I don't like this. So I put it on my T-zone area, the areas I know I sweat a lot. Scale isn't true. So this is in 005. I'm using my Beauty Line by Didi Beauty Blender. I'm just going to blend. So normally, when I'm done with my foundation, you can see it's still a bit rough. So I just put on my setting spray. So this is Kiss Beauty setting spray, and I'm just gonna. That way, it helps me blend. My makeup is a bit funny because sometimes I'll be like, I'm just gonna do a quick one, and the next thing I'm doing the whole highlight and contour. But this one, I'm going to try to stay at the super minimum because when I'm rushing out, I actually don't have time. So I'm just gonna, you know, shade a bit. So this is to give chat to contour. Oh, by the way, the contour I'm using is Juvia Fruit. So next, I'm gonna go in with my setting powder. This is RCMA. I'll be using my Zikel palette. Next is my brows. Kind of like to comb it out, and then I'm going to use my Viange tamer brow tint. But when I'm going out, I'm actually super lazy to contour, so I'm always very careful to get my lines correctly and whatever. So I'm just gonna go in with my brow tint. This is Kiss Beauty. Gonna put my blush. This is Catch Me blusher. You're about to catch me right now. So I'm just so I'm gonna blend that. So I'm going to go over and do my Zikel powder. It looks too much from the camera, yeah, but I'm going to contour my nose YSL blush. I'm going to take a little dot, give myself pointed nose. You have no choice but to be pointed. So next I'm using my Zikel lipstick. This is Bite and this is Celebrity. Before I do that, I'm going to line my lip with my eye pencil. So next to pop up my face a bit because my eye looked too naked. I didn't, if you notice, I didn't use eyeshadow or any of sorts. So I'm just going to use this Ewaronke glitter to place at the tip of my eyes to give it a little bit of a pop. I'm going to use my glitter glue and just apply it right here. BMO highlighter. Here we have it. This is my, where I can literally wear this anywhere because sometimes I don't want the whole eyeshadow thing, and it just have a little bit of pop there. And if you notice, I didn't highlight another, but I definitely contoured to do those shading and everything. So let me know if this look makes sense. I think I'm fine at this angle. So that is it, and I'm going to have everything I use to achieve this listed in the comments on my